Hello friends, welcome back to Android tutorials. And in this part of our video, I am going to design a custom toolbar with a share and retouch button. So let's get started with today's video. So first of all, we are going to come into our themes.xml file and here change this day night dark action bar to be no action bar. So we can add our custom action bar. So here you can see that I had changed my no action bar. I had changed my dark action bar to be no action bar. And then let's design our custom action bar. So come to our activity underscore dashboard. This will be the main screen of our application. So you can see that we had by mistakenly designed this. So first we have to change that design. So come to split mode and copy this code, or you can just copy this full code of line. So here, and then paste that same code here. So we will get our dashboard design in our splash screen, and now in our dashboard we have to give here width and height. So width will be match parent and height also match parent. And then close this line. So we have resolved our errors. Now here we have to write our custom toolbar. So write toolbar and give its width to be match parent and its height will be question mark attribute slash action bar style action bar size. So you can see that we had got that. And now give margin start to be 0, margin so is not 0 dp, and then we have to give its margin end which will be 0 dp, and then we have to give margin top, so this will be also 0 dp, and then close this code. And you can see that we got our custom toolbar, but now add the background. So background will be purple 500 or 700 as you want. I am using purple 500, and give that theme, and that theme will be theme overlay app compact dark. And now align this code or add the constraints. So here I had aligned them, and now we got our action bar and assign its this toolbar id. So toolbar not id, and that id will be toolbar. So after assigning this id, we have to come into our dashboard activity.java file, which is here, and here we have to implement that toolbar. So implement toolbar, you have to import the right toolbar, which is Android X app compact.widget, not Android.widget. That will not work. So toolbar, then cast it here. So you can see that toolbar is equal to find view by id r.id.toolbar, and then close that and set support action bar. So we are setting our toolbar to be action bar, so give it action bar and then get support action bar, support action bar. So here we have to write dot set title. You want title that you have to write, so always use application name. So here I am going to use code shape, and then we have to write subtitles. So get support action bar. If you want to write if you want to write subtitle, then you have to write it in string format as you want by Android tutorials, or we can write nothing. I am not going to use these subtitles. Now set home enabled, home button, set display home as enabled to be true. So after that we have to write true, and after we had completed our toolbar, but now to add the dashboard, sorry, status and that like button, we have to add one menu. So come to menu part, so right click on values directory, or you can right click on res folder, then create new directory and write menu, and then select OK. So you will find menu directory here. You have to click on new menu resource file, and then again write menu. OK. After, you have to write to share and status button, but for that we have to implement it vector assets. So vector assets, here instead of quote we have to write rate, not rate, favorite. So this may take some time, it depends on your internet connectivity. So favorite, then OK, color is white, and instead of this ID give it custom ID. Next and finish. We got our rate button. Now new vector assets and for share. So share, again it depends on internet connectivity. This will load the icons soon. So here is our share icon, then OK. Next, not next, previous, and change this name to be share. Next, finish. Now first cast our menu by implementing on create menu options. So after this we have to write our menu or inflate our menu. So get menu inflator dot inflate r dot menu dot menu, and then second parameter will be our menu. So here we had casted it. Now create that menu first. So come to split mode, and I am zooming our code. Now implement two items. So item and its ID will be share. So plus ID, then it will be share. Then we have to give its title, which is necessary. Now share, then show as action to be always on click. On share will be the method. So on share, and we have to set its icon. Icon will be share. So after implementing this much, we have to close that code and duplicate that full code offline. So here is our second code. So change this share to be rate, title also rate, show as action on rate and icon will be rate. So after that we have to implement on click listener. So click on that and create on create menu, sorry, on click listener, and then again come to this and for on rate. Now here we have to implement the code that we want. So first is on share. So we have to create intent and intent new intent and set that to be action sent, and then type will be text plain, and download this quotes app. Because I am using this app, download it from the given link. This will be short message and it will be in the string format. Now we have to give the custom id and then give package name. This is the url of our website, of our application. And then intent.put extra, we have to put extra text and share link, and here we have created chooser. With the same thing we have to create in the URI. So URI, and then press that URI. Then we have to start new intent with action view, and second parameter will be URI. So by this method we are going to share our link. So this was the small Android tutorial on the custom toolbar, and you will find the navigation buttons, our application title, rate us, and share button in the custom toolbar. So thanks for watching Android tutorials. If you enjoyed this video, then please make sure you like, share and subscribe this channel Android tutorials to learn more. Thanks for watching Android tutorials.